Hi. I just got home from work and I'm tired and I do not feel like setting up lights and tripods and cameras. So what I'm going to do is show you my Hungryroot unboxing. This is my first delivery for the month of February, so I have a new recipe book which is very exciting. And I'm just going to show you what I got from Hungryroot this month. I am loving Hungryroot. If you want to give it a try and have gluten-free, delicious, convenient vegan meals delivered to your door, and you want $30 off, use the link in the description box below. Okay, let's see what we have here. So, my box just arrived at the door. This is what it looks like. It has this lovely packaging, and excuse that hissing noise, those are my radiators. So, in the box, we have the recipe guide for the month of February 2018. And in here you're going to get, this is not everything that's in the box. This is everything that they're going to have this month through Hungryroot. So I may or may not get all of these dishes. It just depends on what I get put into my box. So this insulation is actually really wonderful. I've been using it on my windows to keep the cold out. Yep. Alright, so we've got a lemon artichoke quinoa bowl. These are delicious. These go into different salads and things. I love that. So convenient because I do not have to even cook the quinoa. It's already cooked. It's wonderful. Got 2 of those. Actually 3. Wow, 3 of those. This is a gigantic ice pack, and they always send these. I have way too many of them. I don't know what to do with them, so I'm gonna have to start just throwing them out. Sad. Oh well, it's just ice. So, here's some fun stuff. This is the sweet barbecue chili jack. Alright, so my phone died, so here is the rest of this unboxing. Oh my goodness, I'm so tired. Alright, so this is the barbecue jackfruit. This goes into one of the dishes for this week. My favorite. And I got 2 of them. Ginger tahini yuba noodles. I love these. They're so easy and they go into a bunch of different dishes. Yum, yum, yum. They're so tasty. Salad blends. This month I have the kale beet. That's a good one. This is good raw or cooked. It's really delicious. In it you get this radicchio as well as kale. What's chopped up in there, I believe, is kohlrabi, and then the yellow beets. Let's see. Kohlrabi, red cabbage, kale, golden beets. Called it. Butternut squash fries. These are going to go into... This goes with the jackfruit, I believe. Yes, that is the case. Snap peas. These go into dishes, but they're also good as a snack. Another butternut squash fries. The sweet potato ribbons. I believe I get sweet potato pad thai this month. Oh gosh, this camera battery's gonna die too. I'll go quick. Cashew cheddar, delish. Coconut curry, delish, but I'm getting a little sick of it. Thai peanut, delish. Carrot chips, these are so good, roasted in a hot oven with olive oil, salt, pepper, and a cast iron skillet. Whew, so good. Chickpea Alfredo, my dessert this week, almond chickpea cookie dough. I just eat this raw, I don't even cook it. It's so good. The black bean brownie batter is also delicious as well, but I think that one is my favorite, the almond chocolate chip. Crunchy carrot lentil mix, roasted corn edamame. I haven't had this one yet. We'll see how that goes. And then there are just packaging, and 2 more ice packs in the bottom. So that is my Hungryroot unboxing for the first week of February 2018. If you want to try Hungryroot, go ahead and use the coupon code below for $30 off your first order. There are 2 levels of Hungryroot. There is the starter set and the Good Life. The kit you just saw is the Good Life. So go ahead and check that out, and see you next time.